सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. We have completed first two chapters. Now we are going to enter the third chapter, in which Ashtavakra is going to test Janaka Maharaja how far his understanding, just to test Janaka, he is going to tease or criticize Janaka in this third chapter. If you are a Jnani, how can you remain in this kingly position, kingdom, these pleasures and all? Therefore, I am very much doubtful whether you have this self-knowledge or not. How is it possible for anyone to have all these pleasures? How one's mind can go for that? So he gives many examples and he is questioning. It's like a pricking Janaka Maharaja, teasing or accusing Janaka Maharaja. Janaka Maharaja politely standing and listening patiently without any disturbance. So by looking at Janaka Maharaja, we have to understand how we should be when people are provoking us. So these slokas are very, very important. And a nice answer Janaka Maharaja is going to give in the fourth chapter. How beautiful answers he is going to give. How Ashtavakra, even though he knows Janaka Maharaja is a Jnani, but Jnanam is internal. It is internal phenomenon. Phenomenon in the sense it is internal understanding, personal. How do you know a Jnani, Ajnani? There are no differences at external level. Therefore, very difficult to know a person who is a Jnani, who is a Ajnani. You cannot decide by external dress or external way of talking, behavior and all, you cannot decide. Therefore, even Guru, the Ashtavakra, do not know whether Janaka is a Jnani or not. See the tragedy. Having taught so many years, decades and decades, unfortunate thing, the teacher cannot know the student is a Jnani or not. What a teaching. Regular college, if you go, lecturer or professor, when they teach nicely and they can see your performance and the marks, how much you got and the certificate and gold medal, something, it is visible. For that teacher who is giving the materialistic science, unlike that materialistic science as the student and the teacher, here there is no any parameter to know that. That is why students are also blissfully listening. Whether my teacher do not know whether I do know Atma or not, how she knows. So with hope the teacher has to teach years together and the Jnanam has to take place in their mind and they have to enjoy the Jnana Phalam, Ananda. That Jnana Phalam they have to enjoy. So let us see how Ashtavakra is teasing, criticizing. Very, very pricking it is. Painful also. The first shloka begins with Ashtavakra's teasing, like a taunting. Taunting and how can you, if you are a gnani like this, how can you be here? How can you continue here in this kingdom? You have to go to forest, no? He says. Now let us enter into the third chapter. It begins with Ashtavakra's teasing. Okay. First shloka, page number 53. Avinashinamatmanam ekam vijñāya tattvataha तवात्मज्ञस्य धीरस्य कथमर्थार्जने रतिः. Second line, धीरस्य it is. It looks like a ghorasya. You have to write it as a dhirasya. Ashtavakra Uvacha. Ashtavakra said to Janaka, is asking, Avinashinam ekam atmanam tattvataha vijñāya. So in previous chapter, Janaka Maharaj said, Aho Mahyam, Namo Mahyam, he praised himself, I am Atma, I am wonderful, I am beautiful, I am great, I am glorious, I am the substratum of this universe and all he said. So now he is putting the same thing. You have understood that Atma Tattvataha, exactly as it is. Tattvataha. What is that? Avinashinam Atmanam. You have understood that Atma, the self. Avinashinam. What Atma? What type of Atma? Avinashi. Nasha Rahitaha. Vinasha Rahitaha. Avinashi. Desha Kala Aparichinnaha. Vinasha means limitation. Time-wise limitation, space-wise limitation is called Parichinnata, finitude. That is called Vinashaha. So that Vinasha is not there in the self, therefore Atma is known as Avinashi. Such Atma you have Tattvataha Vijñāya, you have understood. Atmanam as what? Ekam. You have not understood Atma as are many. Because many people think Atmas are many. Because you are my student, therefore you have understood Atma as one only, Ekam. Vijñāya, having known that Atma, Tattvataha. Vijñāya means having known. Tattvataha, in its reality. In its reality. Tava Atmagnasya Dhirasya. Tava, to you, Tava Atmagnaha. You are of such a Jnani, Atmagnasya Dhirasya. So he is praising. Ashtavakra, one side is praising, another side is criticizing. Praising and criticizing. I want to know who are you really? Who are you? Dhirasya. Dhira means, Dhi means wisdom. Dhihi. Dhira. Dhiraha. Dhiyam Rati iti Dhiraha. The one who protects wisdom. Dhiraha means the one who is always remaining in his real nature, wisdom. I am Atma, in that wisdom he never lose sight of. Remembering is our problem. That person, Jnani, never forget at all. Always vigilant, aware, alert. That person is called Dhiraha. Literal meaning of Dhiraha is courageous person, bold. That is not the meaning here. Dhiraha, the one who is wise and remembering all the time his real nature. Never lose sight of. So therefore, Dhirasya. Dhirasya means of you who is the one maintaining always that thought of the self. Dhirasya. Now criticism. Now he has praised. You are such a great Jnani, wonderful Jnani, who knows about Atma, which is one and Avinashi. That Atma you know, you are Dhiraha. Katham, how? Artharjane ratihinar. How you are interested in still in this artharjana. You are running all over to get lot of money. The Raja, what is the job? Sitting, many people have to come and give lot of money. They have to pay the tax. Avanu pay pannitana, ivanu pay pannitana, ellame paathandu irukkanum. So he has to get a lot of money from the other kingdoms. So he has to see all those things, and the treasurer has to come, and we have got this much money from that neighbor kingdom, this much money from this kingdom. So the Raja should know how much treasury, how much money is there in that Koshagaram. And the treasury, how much is there, he should know. Report he has to get. Why you are interested in that money? Katham dhana arjane. Artha na dhanam. Artha arjane means in earning. Arjana means earning. Katham artharjane ratihi. Still you are involved in this earning money. If you are a Jnani, Atma Jnani, how can you have this interest? Rati is involvement. Dwelling in the money. Money, padam, 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 padam. If you are Atma Jnani, it should not be there. If you are Atma Jnani, you should not think about the bank balance, amounts, fixed deposits. You should not think over, no? Why you are counting money every day? Nada. Whether you are counting or your treasure counts, cashier counts, but you are interested in that money. Why? Katham. How is it possible for a Jnani? Therefore, you are having this involvement in this dhanarjana. Therefore, I have a doubt. I have a doubt whether you have got this jnanam or not. One side you are telling you are a Jnani, but other side it seems you are really money minded. One side it shows you are a Jnani, you are publicizing, telling to me, but other side I see you seem to be a money minded person. They both cannot go together. Both cannot go together. That's why I have got doubt. Janaka, tell me who are you? Whether your knowledge is real or unreal. False. Next shloka. He continues further. Many shloka, same teaching. Each word, see how much it is pricking. No? Janaka Maharaja, you feel the Janaka Maharaja. You stand like a Janaka Maharaja as the Ashtavakra is asking you now how he feels. Next shloka. Atma jnanadaho pritihi Vishaya brahmagochare Shaktirajnanato lobha Yatha rajata vibhrame. That is why it is very difficult to stand in front of the teacher. We have to allow the teacher to scrutinize us. That is, if we get that an opportunity, it is wonderful, really. Generally, no teacher want to test. So, if really my knowledge is correct or not, I want to test myself and I have to allow my guru to test me. It's a challenge, a great challenge. ஓகே, அதனால டெஸ்ட் ஏதாவது வச்சுருங்கன்னு யாரும் கேட்கவே மாட்டா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் டீச்சருக்கு என்ன பயம்னா டெஸ்ட் வச்சா யாரும் வரமாட்டான்னு சொல்லி. நார்மலாக வர்றதே கஷ்டம், இன்னும் டெஸ்ட்டு வச்சு கேள்வி கேட்டால் யாரும் வரமாட்டா போனேன்னு சொல்லி அவர் டீச் பண்ணணும். யாராவது ஒருத்தர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இருக்கணுமே. அதனால் வேதாந்தா டெஸ்ட் இஸ் நாட் ஸோ ஈஸி. பட் ஜனகா ஹாப்பிலி ஸ்டாண்டிங் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் அஷ்டாவக்ரா. That challenge is challenging Ashtavakra, how you are. Now look at here, in this shloka, he says, Atma ajnanat aho pritihi vishaya brahmagochare. First you have to go to second line, yatha. First you say drishtanta. Drishtanta means example. Yatha, just as what? Shuktehe ajnataha. Shukti is a shell, and the seashell. And the seashell, and the shell looks like mother pearl. Mother pearl, from that it comes. That pearl comes, this pearl varadu onnu varadu, and oru pooch irukum andhulo. It's shell of a one type of insect, worm. That shell is so strong, inside it is same like silver, looks like silver because of sun rays when fall in that shell, it looks, shines like a silver. So shukti, that is the shukti. That also you bring one, I will keep in the class, okay, for model. டீச்சிங் எய்டுக்கு யாருமே கொண்டு வரவே இல்லையே. பாட்டு எப்போவுமே பாட்டுனா அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆல்சோ ஐ வில் கீப். ஓகே, சுக்தேஹே அஜ்ஞாதஹ மீன்ஸ் நாட் நோயிங் த சுக்தி, த ஷெல். அஜ்ஞாதஹ, வாட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ்? ரஜத விப்ரமே. Since you do not know that it is a shell, seashell, you take it as what? Rajatam. Rajata vibramam. Vibramam superimposition. Brahma, delusion. Rajatam as silver. Rajata vibrame sati, when you have got that Rajata bhavana. Rajata bhavana, Rajata is silver. Why you get the silver thought there? Because of ignorance. What ignorance? The Shukti ignorance. Shukti means shell ignorance. Because of that, this Rajata bhavana. What comes once you see that, immediately you go forward. You go forward. Pravritti comes. Rajata vibhrame. Lobha, you develop a greed for that. I want. Now silver price also increasing day by day. Let me have this coin, silver coin, some silver I can get. So that lobha comes, greediness. I want to get it. Naturally happens. The thought comes in the mind. So Atma Ajnanat Aho Pritihi. See, Atma Ajnanat Aho Pritihi. Just as in that example, you have lobha towards the silver. Similarly, Atma Ajnanat, because of self-ignorance, anyone can have Priti, love towards Vishaya, objects. Atma Ajnana irunda Sukti Ajnanam leads to Rajata Jnanam, Rajata Brahma and Lobha. Similarly, Atma Ajnanat Vishaya Pritihi. First line he says, Vishaya Brahma Gochare. Vishaya Gochare means when the objects in the field of worldly objects. Deepavali reduction sale. Vishaya gochare means when their objects are available in front of you. Gochares. That means mithya vishaya. Brahma means mithya vishaya gochare. Vishaya brahma gochare pritihi bhavati. When atma ajnana. When there is self-ignorance, there is an attraction towards worldly objects. I want this, I want that. I want this, I want that. Every Deepavali, every Pongal, every Vijayadashami, how many things people are buying. So every time, ஏதோ ஒரு நியூ திங் வாங்கி தான் ஆகணும். இன்னும் ஒன்றுமே வாங்கலையான்னு யாரோ கேட்டால் நல்லா இருக்குது. புது வாட்ச் வாங்கியிருக்கேன், புது ஃபோன் வாங்கியிருக்கேன், புது இது வாங்கியிருக்கேன், அது வாங்கியிருக்கேன் காமிக்கிறதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அந்த பொம்மை கொலு வந்தால் கூட புது ஏதாவது வாங்கணும். ஏன்னா எல்லோரும் எல்லாம் பழசு தானே கேட்பான். இல்லை இதெல்லாம் புதுசு, இதெல்லாம் புதுசுன்னு சொல்லணும். அதனால விஷய விப்ரம கோச்சரா எப்போ வரும்? ஆத்மா அஜ்ஞானா. யூ ஆர் ஏ ஆத்மஜானி. அஷ்டாவக்ர ஆஸ்கிங், you are Atma-jnani, how can you have this sense pleasure still you are in this here Mithila Nagaram. இன்னும் Mithila Nagaram விட்டுட்டு ஏன் போலான்னு கேட்கிறாரு. Why you have not left Mithila Nagaram? Because as a king, you are as a king, always king எவ்வளவு மரியாதை இருக்கும். How many people are serving to him, how many people are offering so many things from morning to till இந்த தர்பார் முடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டு கொடுத்துட்டே இருப்பான். I told you, when you go near that Raja, you want to approach Raja, Rajanam, you should not go with empty hands. Rikta hastena na gantavyam. The Raja, Swami, children, babies, pregnant woman, you should not go with Rikta hastam. Rikta hastam empty hand. Kai aadite pokudadu. Kaila edavadhu pidichundu ponum. Okay. Not in every class, at least once in a while, at least first time when we approach a guru, we should not go with empty hands. So when Raja also is there, people should not go like that. They have to go with something in their hands. Sannyasa enna palam, Raja enna vajram, vaiduryam, mani manikam ella edutittu ponum. Lot of robes they have to take, pattu vastram and all they have to take. Lot of things they have to offer to that Raja. Still you are in Mithila Nagaram. You are interested in those gifts. Vishaya Vibhrama Gochara should not be there. Still you are in Mithila Nagara means it seems you are having still Vishaya Vibhrama. You are interested in Vishayas, things. Because Atma Jnani cannot have all these things. உனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு? இப்போ ஞானம் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லணுமா, உனக்கு இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கணுமா? எனக்கே சந்தேகமாக இருக்கே ஜனகா, என்ன பண்ணுறது? But your words are nice to listen, but you are still as a king continuing in this kingdom with pleasures and so much of paraphernalia. Many people are serving you, lot of gifts people are coming and giving. But எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் சந்தேகமாக இருக்கே கேட்குறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, தேர்ட் ஸ்லோகா. விஸ்வம் ஸ்புரதி யத்ரேதம் தரங்கா இவ சாகரே सोहमस्मीति विज्ञाय किं दीन इव धावसि. This is called a litmus test. Yatra, where Sagare taranga iva. Sagare, in the ocean, tarangaha, waves, iva, like. In the ocean, there are many waves are rising. Like that, Idam Vishwam Spurati. For a Jnani, this universe appears. Idam Vishwam, this universe. Spurati. He experiences the world. Jnani. How he experiences? They are all, whatever I see in this world, they are all like waves in the ocean. Sagare taranga iva. Waves are just as the waves are not different from the water. Just as tarangaha sagare, they are not different from water. Waves are false, mithya. Similarly, idam vishwam spurati. For Jnanik, Ratma Jnanik, this whole world should appear as like a wave rising. Every nama rupa is like a wave. All of us are like one wave. One nama, one rupa is one wave. Fat nama rupa, thin nama rupa, tall nama rupa, tall wave, short wave. All these waves are nothing but Brahman Sagaram. In the Brahma Sagarala, all these names and forms are like waves. Just as the water alone is appearing as wave, tarangam, Brahman for Jnani. Jnani drishtila, Brahman alone appearing as one object. Vyakta rupena sat bhati. Sat drishyate. Vyakta rupena vastu upadhi dvara sadrupena brahma eva vartate iti jnani chintayati sarvada. Okay. So he says, idam vishwam spurati yatra, where the entire world he experiences. It is nothing but only Brahman. Vishwam spurati. Yatra means yasmin Brahmani. Yasmin Brahmani idam vishwam nama rupa vishwam spurati. He experiences. They are like waves in the ocean. Appo one arthana, when you are looking at the waves, what is your knowledge? It's water. It is water. So for Jnani, when he is seeing the mamiyar, mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, servant, driver, when he is seeing, interacting with the people, all people, looking at the people, what is he? What must be his understanding? Whatever I am seeing, the differences, disparities are mithya. That behind those nama rupa, what the truth is there, that sat in inanimate and chit sat in animate in a moving. Sentient beings, satchidrupena, insentient things, sadrupena. Here also chit is there in the desk also, but no sukshma shariram. Thank God. If sukshma shariram is there, the desk will walk. Desk will walk and go away. What can I do? Mic also will walk. Therefore, chit is not manifesting. So, sadrupena chidrupena sarvada brahmani, yatra brahmani vishwam spurati. This is the Jnani's understanding. How many times we are remembering that? I am a senior student. 10 வருஷமா போயிட்டு இருக்கான்னு இந்த விஷயம் எத்தனை பேருக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கிறது? Suppose anybody says something, ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு சுவாமி, I feel so bad. Janaka Maharaja did not walk away, no? Again, he is standing. He is standing and listening. Whatever Ashtavakra says. Namana, அப்படியே out na, போயிடுவோம். So therefore you have to stand. That is why Jnani is one. He is not free from problems. He is, in spite of problems, he remains there. is not running away from the problem. In the midst of problems, in spite of problems, remain as it is. Pashyan srunvan spushran jigran. So, he says, yatra vishvam spurati. Saha ahamasmi iti vijnaya. Saha Paramatma Brahman ahamasmi iti vijnaya. Having known, vijnaya, having known, hey Janaka, my Sishya, having known that Brahman ahamasmi, I am alone, iti, thus, katham dina iva dhavasi. Why you are running? Dhavasi means running. Like a dinaha iva. Like a miserable person. You are running all over, here and there. Why you are running? Adi pannano, idi pannano, edikka and the kingdom lo chummada ukar vidvananna. As a king, you cannot sit quietly. If you are a king, you have to take care of so many things. To take care of those things, you are running here and there. Palace lone suttrindirkano. You have to go to that kingdom, this kingdom, enemies are coming, anybody is coming, and adella paakano. You are running like an ordinary person, deenaha, miserable person who is not complete, who is not adequate, who is not feeling purnatvam. He only runs. You run, not running race. In your to accomplish certain things, you are running. Deenaha iva dhavasi. If you are a gnani, you need not run. If you are running means enake sandeham. You are moving here and there for so many things. If you are a gnani, you are not supposed to run like this. Nimmadi or edathil appadi anandam ukkarlam illiyo. Ashtavakra is questioning. Gnani and sthita prajnaha, calm, quiet, talk, should not talk. You should not do anything. Muchu kuda seddamaidu. You should not laugh, you should not talk, you should not ask anything. That then gnani anna. Appadana irukano. Why you are running here and there? Therefore enakku ennamo sandehama irukke. Kekrar. Next shloka. Deena iva kimartham. For what sake you are running like this? Like a miserable person, like a beggar. No? All people are, you see, running here and there. You see the world, bus stand and the railway station by paringo. How people run. If you put a running race competition, avanga first varuva. Bus kaha, station, train kaha. Odumbodhu you want to accomplish pannu. Adu madri you are also running. They are also running, you are also running. What is the difference between them and you? Both of are running. Ajnani also running. Gnani also running. You are enna gnani? Periya gnani. First of all, gnani anna inga irukka koodadhu avanu. Namma madhyala irundana avar eppadi gnani aaga mudiyum? So people conclude that are irundha kuda avar gnani illa chumma pesindi irupar avadana. Many people consider like that because ஒரு அஜ்ஞானிக்கு ஞானி அவன் ஞானி நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு வழி இல்லை. அதுதான் பெரிய பேரர் ஆஃப் திஸ் லெட்டர் இஸ் ஆத்ம ஞானி. ஏதாவது லெட்டர் கொடுத்தேன் பாவம் குரு. ஸோ மை குரு கிவ்ஸ் லெட்டர். மை so and so student is Atma Gnani. Please, all of you give food. All of you take care of. All of you study from her. அதாவது லெட்டர் கொடுத்தாரா எனக்கு சுவாமிஜி? ஒன்றுமே கொடுக்கவே இல்லை. சர்டிஃபிகேட். I have all other certificates. என்ன சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து ஸ்கூல் ஃபைனல் சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஐ ஹாவ், பிஏ சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஐ ஹாவ், எம்ஏ சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஐ ஹாவ், எம்ஏடி சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஐ ஹாவ், எம்ஏ சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஐ ஹாவ். ஆல் சர்டிஃபிகேட்ஸ், மியூசிக், யோகா எல்லா சர்டிஃபிகேட் இருக்கு எக்ஸப்ட் ஒரு சர்டிஃபிகேட். Which course I have studied more time actually. I have spent lot of time. And all other certificates 1 year, 2 years, 3 years ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇருக்கு. Still I have useless, no use. Those certificates are there. But for this study, no certificate I have got. என்ன பண்ணுறது? தட் இஸ் வை ஞானின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு கூட வழி இல்லை. Because to give certificate, the Guru must know. So Guru cannot know. இப்போ அஷ்டாவக்கரக்கே ப்ராப்ளமாக இருக்கு. அஷ்டாவக்கரே ஜனக்கர் ஞானியா இல்லையான்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியல. வாட் டு டாக் ஆஃப் அதர் லோக்கல் குருஸ். அஷ்டாவக்கரனுக்கே தெரியலன்னா யாருக்குமே தெரிய முடியாது, தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியாது. கிருஷ்ணரே சொன்னார், எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் டீச்சிங் ஹோல் பகவத்கீதா, இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் யூ ஃபைட், அதர்வைஸ் யூ கோ. யதா இச்சசி ததா குரு அன்னார். So Krishna also do not know whether Arjuna is a gnani or not. So very difficult. So Ashtavakra is in a trouble now. Problem. என்ன பண்ணுறது? போகலாமா, இவனுக்கு ஞானம் வந்தது, போகலாமா வேண்டாமா? ஸோ டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டு போகலான்னு பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கார் அவர். ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி டெஸ்ட் நல்லா இருக்கும். ரெடி ஃபார் த டெஸ்ட்? ஓகே. ஸோ ஹி சேஸ், the sloka over, explanation. Okay. Dina iva dhavasi enaru. Next shloka, fourth. Shrutvapi shuddha chaitanyam atmanamati sundaram upasthityanta संसक्तः मालिन्यमधिगच्छति. Further continues. What? Teasing. Shuddha Chaitanyam Atisundaram Atmanam Shrutva Api. Shuddha Chaitanyam, pure Atma. Chaitanyam is consciousness. The pure consciousness without any attributes, without any nama rupa, you have understood. Shrutva, heard from me. Bhagatyaga lakshana dvara lakshyartha atma swarupam shrutva, and having heard from me. Shuddha Chaitanyam, pure Sat. When I am looking at another person, it is Shuddha Chaitanyam or Ashuddha Chaitanyam? You cannot say Ashuddha Chaitanyam. Because this body, mind cannot touch that Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam can never become Ashuddham. Body can never become Shuddham. It is a walking toilet. Okay, mobile toilet, walking toilet. This body can never be Shuddham. Mind, kekave venda. All types of raga, dveshas are there. So, such a mind and body can transfer their impurity to Atma? Impossible. It cannot transfer that impurity to Atma. So, Shuddha Chaitanyam, ever pure, in spite of it is associated with body-mind complex. As though associated. Not like Fevicol. Not like quick fix. Okay. It is as though. As though. It is this pot is associated with the clay. Pot is associated with the clay. Really speaking, there is no pot to associate. Adi correct, Swamini. That is okay. But there is no body of mind to associate Brahman. And how can you say so now? There is no body to associate with Brahma Chaitanya. How can you say na? As part, so the body. As part, so the body. Tangible, Swami. I am keenly பார்க்கிறேன், தெரியறதே அண்ணா. tailor, how much money I am paying? For dress stitching and all, I am paying lot of money. In this tangible body, how much costliest, how much I am spending for this body? This part also you pay money only, you get it. You won't get freely. Is it not? Who will give freely? 10 ரூபாய் கொடுத்தா தான் இந்த பாட்டு இது வரும். அப்புறம் இதுக்கு you can have to take care of. every கிளாஸில் அந்த பேக்கில் வச்சு ஜாகிரதையாக வச்சணும், எடுத்து வைக்கணும், இங்கே அது பத்திரமா வைக்கணும், அது பத்திரமா பார்க்கணும். How much time we are taking care of this part? Not 1 day or 2 days. Past 10 years I am taking care of this. Sannyasi kuda இது samsara. Okay, அது மாதிரி I am also taking care of the pot, so that you can say pot is there. Can you say pot is there? Even you take care of it, you carry for from 10 years, pot you are holding, but you can say boldly there is no pot. அதே மாதிரி you are feeding the body every day, and you are giving entertainment to the mind, and you are having lot of possessions, cell phone, அந்த phone, bangles, rings எல்லாமே போட்டு இருந்தாலும் கூட பொய் தான், இல்லவே இல்லை. Therefore says Shuddha Chaitanyam Atmanam Ati Sundaram Shuddha Chaitanyam. Aha, Ati Sundaram means very, very beautiful. That means body mind is not Ati Sundaram. That is why Ashtavakra intelligently puts in a superlative degree. Ati Sundaram anna. Extremely beautiful anna. Body, even Miss Universe also, after some time, no beauty. Atiloka Sundari, Tilottama, Menaka, Urvasi, Rambha also only not permanently Sundaris, they are also temporary one. With only Alankarana. After Alankarana only they are beautiful. Like that, there are so many beautiful things are there in the world, not like Shuddha Chaitanyam. Shuddha Chaitanyam is Ati Sundaram, very, very beautiful. Such Atmanam, that self, Shrutva, you have heard from me. Ashtavakra is telling, Shrutva api, in spite of listening about that pure consciousness, which is very, very beautiful, you have heard from me. In spite of that, so what? Upasthe atyanta samsaktaha. Upasthe means to have the relation with opposite sex. For a progeny, my children, my son, I want daughter, I want son, like the interest towards the partner, interest, attraction towards the partner, attraction towards the partner and wife, or wife to husband, husband towards wife. So like that, yes, upaste atyanta asaktihina, extreme, that is the most powerful desire. Many desires are there in the world, but this attraction towards opposite sex is the most powerful asakti. Asakti and interest, the great interest. How can you have that great interest towards your missus? Still, you have not left your house. Why? Why you have not taken sannyasa? Why you have not taken sannyasa? Why still you are asking, darling, darling, why you are calling your wife? Atyanta asaktihi, that which asakti makes you malinyam adhigacchati, by which asakti, that asakti, that interest towards conjugal relation, interest towards enjoying that pleasure, it makes the mind impure. It makes the mind impure, no? Malinyam adhigacchati, that asakti makes you what? Sane? No. It makes you more insane. Malinyam adhigacchati. Shrutva api, you are still what? You are going for walking with your wife or husband. You are going to temple. You are going to other places. You are going to see so many functions. All you are doing along with your wife. How is it possible? If you are a jnani, you are not supposed to look at her, no? You are not supposed to look at her. How is it possible? எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஆன்சர் சொல்ல போகிறார் ஜனகர். அதனால் இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு பிரச்சனைக்கு ஒரு சமாதானம் சொல்லணும் இல்லையோ? ஸோ கரெக்டாக சொல்லணும். அப்போது ஹவு கேன் யூ ஹாவ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் யுவர் ஒய்ஃப்? Or if woman is a jnani, how can she have interest towards a man, husband? How is it possible? Which desire, asakti, makes the mind impure? Malinyam adhigaccha. In spite of listening from me, ati sundaram. Adhikda sundaram ani pottar paaru. Wife vande so beautiful for every husband, no? My wife is atiloka sundari ani solluva. She also thinks like that, no? He is the only handsome person, he thinks. Now Ashtavakra asking, I gave you Atiloka Sundara Atma. Atiloka Sundara, Ati Sundara, Shuddha Chaitanya Jnanam I have given. How you are interested in your wife now? உனக்கு ஆத்மா கொடுத்துருக்கேன் நீ, நான் ஆத்ம ஜானம். அந்த சுந்தரமான ஆத்மா வந்து யூ ஆர் சுந்தராங்கி, யூ ஆர் சுந்தராங்கி. ஹஸ்பண்ட் என்ன சுந்தராங்கா, lady and Sundarangi. Why Sundaranga is attracted to Sundarangi? Why Sundarangi attracted to Sundaranga? No? Wife and husband. So that's what they say, no? After marriage, you are so beautiful, and chalo husband. She looks so beautiful. Don't ask me how do you know so. Chumma chal rahe. People are telling, no? You are so beautiful, Nasali. No one can beat you in your beauty. அப்படின்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் எங்கே போயிடுமோ அந்த வார்த்தை எல்லாம் காணும். She also says like that only. For few months மைனஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸே தெரியாது, எல்லாம் ப்ளஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் 6 மாதம் கழிச்சு கூட மைனஸ் பாயிண்ட், ஒரு மைனஸ் பாயிண்ட்டு கிடையாது. ஒரு மைனஸ் பாயிண்ட்டு ப்ளஸ் பாயிண்ட்டே தெரியாது, மைனஸ் பாயிண்ட் தான் தெரியும். பிரச்சனை எல்லாம் பிரச்சனை வந்துடும்னா. வேர் திஸ் பியூட்டி கோஸ் ஐ டு நாட் நோ. ஸோ அதி சுந்தரம் ஆத்மா இஸ் தேர். வை யூ ஆர் லுக்கிங் அட் யுவர் சுந்தராங்கி கேட்குறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि मुनेर्जानत आश्चर्यम् ममत्वमनुवर्तते. In the 6th chapter, 29th shloka, Sarva Bhutastamatmanam Sarva Bhutani Chatmani, same like shloka. Sarva Bhuteshu, in all beings. Ashtavakra Baba seriously is asking Janaka. We are laughing. Jolly, no? To listen like this. It's very nice. We are all enjoying, Very nice. See, laughing, if you laugh in the class, you need not to go to laughing club. Okay. It's good for health. Good for health. Okay. Sarva, it's, you never plan to laugh. Just a side point. Okay. Not connected to subject. See, the laughing has to come, it has to happen. You won't plan 8:30, let me laugh. 8:30, let me laugh. Do you plan like that? All of us meet 10 o'clock and we start laughing. Laughing club adhe idana time or time ku poi ellarum laughing anna. How can you laugh like that? It happens. That alone is called laughing. Ella prepare pannadukku appuram laughing or laughing that's not laughing. So therefore real laughing is that we do not know when it comes. It's okay. మనకే தெரியாது நானே நினைக்கல இந்த மாதிரி சிரிக்க மாதிரி. So you get that happens now, natural, good. No, it's like one bottle tonic. One bottle tonic, more than that elixir. It is called elixir. Okay. Sarva bhuteshu cha atmanam. In all beings, Atma is there. Not only that, Sarva bhutani Atmani. All beings are in Atma. Clay is in all earthenwares. All earthenwares are in the clay, either in manifest form or unmanifest form. All earthenwares are in clay in unmanifest form. They are not yet made by the pot maker. They are all still in unmanifest form. Similarly, all earthenware, clay is in all earthenwares. Wherever earthenware made out of earth is called earthenware. Whatever earthenware is there, it is clay only. Only they kept one here. 2 வைக்கக்கூடாதோ 2 வைக்கல 2 3 இருக்கு 3 வச்சிருக்கேன் நான். earthenwaresன்னு பகுவச்சனம். சுவாமி எப்பவுமே ஒன்று தான் காமிக்கிறான். You know how many I am carrying now? Lot of things. Big bag is there. அதில் ஒரு rope snake இருக்கும், எல்லாமே இருக்கும். So we can enjoy it. So small part, big part, different shapes. Different shapes. So students bought and gave me also. How many I can carry? How many can I carry? நான் 2-3 part வச்சிருக்கேன். அது மாதிரி all earthenwares are non-separate from the clay. Clay is in all earthenwares. அது மாதிரி ஓகே. சர்வபூதேஷு ஆத்மானம் ஆத்மனி சர்வபூதானி. சர்வபூதானி ஆத்மனி. Sarvabhutani means what? Not only earthly beings. Sarvabhutani means Brahmaji onwards up to Abrahma Pipilikanta Tanushu. Pipilikanna ant. Ant or bacteria or virus. Very small insect or blade of grass. Abrahma Stamba Paryantam. Sarva bhutani Atmani, all are in Atma. How do you know? Sarva bhuteshu Atmana means in all beings Atma is there in the form of Sat and Chit. Satta Spurti Pradata Atma. Chair is there, Atma is there. Desk is, Atma is there. Ada Atma. 10-12 வருஷம் படித்து டெஸ்க் இஸ் ஈஸினஸ் இஸ் ஆத்மா இது சொல்கிறதுக்காக தான் சுவாமி கிளாஸு கூப்பிட்டேன். இந்த ஈஸினஸ் இஸ் ஆத்மா. எஸ், சத் இஸ் ஆத்மா. எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் இஸ் ஆத்மா. Without that sat existence, this desk cannot exist. That's why you say desk is, mic is, chair is. So sarva பூதேஷு ஆத்மானம். ஆத்மானன்னா கிளிப்பில் இப்போ ஆத்மா இருக்கா இல்லையா? இருக்கணும். ஏன்னா லாஜிக் இஸ் வாட்? ரீசன். சர்வகதத்வாத். ஆத்மா லக்ஷணம் இஸ் வாட்? ஆல் பர்வேடிங். Since it is all pervading, it must be there in the clip also. Swamini, if clip lo atma irundana koncham, can you show me? No. You cannot show. If I show also, you cannot see. I cannot show first of all. I show the clip. I can show the Atma in the form of clip. That's why I said. So sometimes mistake also right only. First I said, even I show also you cannot see, I said. Immediately I said, I cannot show and சொன்ன. அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா, நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு சொன்ன ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கரெக்டு தான். புரியுறதோ? நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் மிஸ்டேக் நினச்சேன், அதனால் அது கரெக்டு தான். ஏன்னா ஐ கேன் ஷோ ஆத்மா. ஹவு? கிளிப் ரூபேணா, clip dwara. Okay? Through clip I am showing Atma. How? You understand the easiness through the clip. How clip is. You cannot see that easiness, but you can understand. Therefore, how you say clip is. That is called Atma. What is Atma? Is Atma. What is Atma? Is Atma. Still people have doubt. And the easiness eppadi Atma na. What is Pramanam? Shastra Pramanam. Existence, Sat, Irkira Tanmai. Adida Atma. You cannot see. That is why as I am, I cannot see. As a woman, I can feel the body. As a human being, I can feel the body. I am, I cannot feel. As a Tamilian, as a Indian, I can feel the bodies, Indians and all. But as Atma, I am, I cannot. Even feeling also is not belong to Atma. I am being. Being is called Atma. With Nama Rupa. Without Nama Rupa you cannot say I am also. Without Nama Rupa, this 70 kgs body, okay, mind you cannot say I am. Therefore, what is the proof I am there? No. You are uttering. You are uttering I am. Atma cannot utter. Through the body, Atma is telling what? I am. என்னமோ இருக்க கதை மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னா, கதை இல்லை, நிஜம். How much நிஜம் அண்ணா? 100%, 24 carats, not carats, and the gold carat. Okay. Sarvabhuteshu Atmanam. This is what you have to understand. Atmana tedadungo. How you can search? When Atma is all pervading, how can you search for Atma? Khoj karna. They write books and books. Search inwards. Search backwards. Search, don't search outwards. Search inside. Enna? Atma. Khoj karna. Hindi la solva khoj karna. Anveshana. Enquiry. Search. Searcher need not search. The searcher is Atma. Why he has to search? Searcher has to recognize I am Atma, everything is Atma. That's why Ashtavakra says, hey Janaka, everything is Atma. Everything is an Atma. Atma is in everything. Then, Munehe Janataha. Janataha Munehe. After knowing this much, you are a teacher. I, the teacher, have explained you so many times. Janataha. Ascharyam. Enna? Wonder. What wonder? Mamatvam anuvartate. Still Mamakara is there. In spite of listening and answering to the teacher also many times. But still there is a Mamatvam. How is it possible? Mamatvam and Atma Jnanam cannot go together. Still you have Mamatvam. You have Mamakara towards your Mithila Nagaram kingdom. How you can have that Mamakara towards your kingdom? You are Atma, you are all pervading. Why still you are a Raja sitting as king of Mithila Nagaram? Why you are attached to your kingdom? Once you are attached to your kingdom, you are attached to your all people, darbar. You are attached to all other family members, relatives. Still you have not taken sannyasa. And that's why I have got doubt whether you are Jnani or not. Therefore, still some more doubts I have. I will ask you next time. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.